Welcome to One Life with Funi. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We are in Kiwenga. Kiwenga Beach Resort. We are here. Hello. How are you? Jumbo.
How you do, brother? Good, thank you. You're welcome.
Kiwenga Beach Resort. Next destination. Wow. About your family room, you can. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Love it, brother. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is beautiful. Let's see if CEO Yakari can remember or how many islands, how many countries you've been to. How many islands have you been to? Huh? Count. Name them. Hi, baby. I'm going to kumaka. Okay, anchaya masina barabora ran kuinema. Ndono yanne.
Oh, you're saying not one night.
Oh, no one.
Before I met you.
Oh, hashi. Gaya number trafisi. Kana bakania.
How?
Na bucket hemisphere.
Before I met you.
Bucket hemisphere.
I'm the one
Wa guy. Eh? Kosi fio.
Open.
Kazi. Kamna madhia were. Abare.
Bora Bora. Maldives.
Be real, baby. I'm documenting your life journey here.
Portuguese.
No.
Zanzibar. What else?
Ibiza.
Oh, Ibiza.
Mauritius.
Mauritius. Yeah, but 7 islands. Chituni Island.
Countries?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I think 12.
Count them. Okay, Arme Africa.
Italy.
Arme Africa.
Africa, Mozambique, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Kenya.
Hi.
Kenya.
No, you just.
No, just Kenya. No German.
Okay. All right.
Kenya.
Tanzania.
Tanzania. Yeah.
Okay, then let's move to the other
That's
ones.
5. Then
Europe.
then Mauritius, Spain, France, Italy, Switzerland. Well,
Did you say Italy?
Turkey, yeah,
Middle East?
Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Doha. 9. So I've been to 16 countries, 15 countries. No, 16.
Mtundini. Where to next?
Next year, my birthday next year I'm doing in I'm either Accra
Ghana?
or Nigeria
Okay.
or Uganda,
Okay.
Kampala. My birthday is Africa. Your birthday is Europe or Asia. I'm an African guy. I want to explore my continent. But Kampala, Nigeria, I have a Nigerian friend, so maybe I can go there.
And then 2023, where to next from here?
This year we're doing the US.
Finally, thank God.
I want the visa so that I can do Coachella next year and also what is it again? Like breaking what?
No, you the one that knows it.
Yeah, that concert I forgot what it's called.
If you lay a desert thing,
Yeah, desert.
yeah, genre.
Yeah.
Yeah, you the one that I did.
Forgot the name.
So we're doing
I
the
wanna
US.
check PDD's calendar, see where he's hosting.
Did you email him?
No. My agent will talk to him.
Okay. So we're doing USA,
It's like,
and I'm doing Europe as well.
Oh, hello.
I don't know if you're going.
Solo trip.
Poland.
Oh.
Are you going?
We can go. We'll meet. When you're in Poland, I will do.
I don't go do a shit in the one if it's South Africa.
But when I'm next year, I'll do one solo trip. Solo.
Okay, so your next island?
No. Remember. Remember. Don't
Next
do,
island?
Remember, don't do 85, so I can travel every day.
Okay, sorry. And then 8 to 5. Thunder 8 to 5. Bonnie. Next island?
I'll try Bora Bora again.
You're going there when you're 40.
Because I did that when I was with the president of Venda.
Guy.
Mama Kaza, what was it?
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take you to Bora Bora in a 40. So it's 4 years from now. 40 years in the Nokara. Nkara 6 pack. Okay. Next time.
Thank you.
Chikobakamba. I want to went to
French.
how is
First 30
it?
days, it's very beautiful. It talks about change,
Nice.
how to adjust in the change. So, okay, this is how I work my life. I work on a 90-day rule, 3 months, 90-day plan, which helps me plan for three months. Yeah. So I'll just give myself 90 days. So this is actually giving me 30 days on how to adjust to the change, what to look. Basically more on change.
That's nice.
The fear, to deal with the fear. I'm not a fearful person in general. I'm here. I can travel anywhere in the world alone.
Eh? Okay.
Yeah, my plan is to live. I wanted to move to Europe, but sorry, I know I'm diverting or whatever the word. But I think Africa is beautiful, guys. I think Africa is home for me, and yeah, I think I wanna explore Africa, see if I can move into one of the countries.
I'm glad you finally said you're going to Nigeria.
It's good for my business as well. Yeah, because I need to meet a lot of investors in Africa. I don't think I've got enough. There's enough bread for me in South Africa. South Africa is great. There's opportunity.
Hi, Jumbo.
Thank you very much. So, Africa, I think, would be a good place to build relation.
Namaste. The hotel chillers. Rola. Rola.
Yeah. Man, check it. It's
So cheap at the hotel. Yeah, so nice. So I lost my shoes. Yesterday, new shoes. How you know to see Mangrasi? Oh, people. Not wrong. The one in the range. I think those stress and I'm kotonga na nne ndi bva fhano khaladzi musona vhukuma. Hi, so my brother but Kenya yo Mudzemu. He's from Kenya. Every man here looks like my brother. Like, I even call them Sonini. I'm like, oh, show, Mambo, Sony, Jumbo. There's beach jacuzzis. I'll be coming here later on during sunset because, wow, it's so hot now. Hi, Barman. Avashe. Ako Ramanambai. Oh, today I'm so lazy. And this one on Neji.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, I love those ways, honey. Oh dear.
So the beach jacuzzi.
Nous ferons plaisir de venir nous voir ici à Kiwenga. À livrer, bien sûr. Je vous jure. Un bon apéritif. On se dit à tout à l'heure à partir de 19h30. Bon, déjà apéritif. Ça fait un
Jacuzzi time. By the beach. Yes, boo. Eh? Yes. Yeah, batata rumwentu uswa. Ati doli ndiri batata rumwe uswa. Batata rumwe uswa. Again. Again. Asante. It's time.
Tipo Madrid.
We are going to the beach. Today's our third day, and it's been just amazing indoor, especially in hotel. So we will be going out tomorrow. So today we decided just to have a feeling of the hotel in Kiwenga. This is us. Ashikafa. Yeah. And ako pisan ako ro na nefa wa mbabongondo cha madoro tora. Ya jena. Oh. Mambo. Hakuna matata. Okay. We're just doing the beach walk. Ako di isa zuri. Ningazida. Mara ni bani safe pala bitu. Angamba life jacket eh.
Komba mbele. Ndio hiyo tu. Hapa ndi Diamond Walk. Diamond Walk. Zanzibar Diamond Walk. I love Kid for Life, Kids School, One Look. Restaurant, One Love. Oh, ndia maras itangela One Love ya kata. Umeona? So nyumbani kula madi ako ni share. Samore. One Love ni majanga. The low and the high tide. Low and high tide. Africana, yes, Mzansi, South Africa, South Africa, Hakuna Matata, everything is okay. Di ba fa numero? 16. Namanya juga nggak upola. Ya, upola. Zakati. Thank you.
Keep smiling. Hakuna Matata. Pole pole. Sambur nggak punya ngebainer nggak ada cilangan itu. Pakai. Uri ngapati ndi family room. Samburu una kamburi ngapati ndi family room. Nichipo kangwa ngani ngangi pasi. Itonga angei. Ufike hapa dara royo neteki. Fetie. Urani ya one. Feti yange. Ancha zumra. Ange beach what?
Yeah.
All inclusive cocktails, alcoholic, non-alcoholic, and then we've got the champopolopopos here. Cocktails?
Yeah.
Non-alcoholic, alcoholic. Which one?
Non and alcohol.
Can I have alcoholic?
Alcohol?
Yes. Asante.